have the SJK Nightfall one-person tent. This is an external pitch frame, meaning you can set it up as is. You don't have to fiddle with a fly, so if it's raining, you can set the whole thing up as is. A neat thing about this tent is that you can actually remove this internal mesh, making it just a shell for those lighter backcountry pursuits. You can set this up with a footprint, making it a little more cozy, or go super lightweight and just pack this in the camp. The Nightfall is really easy to set up. Simple 2-pole construction. As you can see, one pole goes through the sleeve and the second pole goes over the top. Be sure to put the corners in first, then work your way around, securing the extra enforcement points. And always secure your guy-up points. This will make sure your tent doesn't flap in the wind. Here we have it set up with a footprint. As you can see, it just adds a little extra barrier against the ground. The Nightfall tent has aluminum poles and stakes. You're protected from the elements in this tent as it has a fully tape-seam waterproof fly. It has an extremely large vestibule area, providing plenty of space for any gear you don't want to keep inside the tent with you. This tent comes in the Cryptek Highlander camouflage print, as well as a solid gray color. There's a nice back panel here that opens up to allow for additional ventilation. The Nightfall one-person tent's ideal for any backcountry pursuit.
This is the real Avid pistol tool, the first multi-tool designed to work on all striker fires, 1911s, and revolvers. This compact profile houses 19 precision tools, non-marring bushing wrenches for both 1911 government and officer models. 4 onboard Bondus Protanium hex keys for adjusting all laser sighting systems. Stored in the handle are flat, Phillips, hex, and Torx bits with ball detents that lock into a 2.5-inch long bit driver. A detachable pin punch makes takedown easy. Paired with a tap hammer for stubborn pins.
An 832 threaded receiver pivots from the handle and accepts standard gun cleaning elements like rods and brushes.
A non-hardened stainless steel pick scraper combination cleans crud from slide rails and other hard-to-reach places. There's a rugged 3-inch titanium-coated Tonto-style knife and a fine-tooth metal file. An incredible number of tools compact enough to fit in your mag pouch. The real Avid pistol tool. It keeps your trigger finger happy.
This is the award-winning LifeStraw personal water filter. It can go here, every day and on your favorite adventures. Really, ultra lightweight and portable. You can drink water from here, practically anywhere. And it's been trusted by outdoor experts, survivalists, and emergency response workers since we started. Drinking water straight from these sources sound risky? It's not. With this technology, water passes through a membrane microfilter with microscopic pores that removes bacteria, parasites, microplastics, sand, silt, and sediment. The membrane microfilter lasts up to 1,000 gallons. Your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product purchased, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Everyone needs safe water. Stay safe. Pack a LifeStraw.
If you like to backpack, hike, climb, or run rivers, you need the ultralight and watertight 0.7. At a little over 6 ounces, this kit is designed for adventures where every ounce counts, and exposure to the elements will be an issue. Inside the 0.7, everything is protected in a tough, Dryflex waterproof bag. Everything is stored inside of an ultralight sil nylon bag that is seam sealed to provide layers of protection. Rain, snow, water, sandstorms, nothing will get inside these bags. Inside, you will find quality supplies you have come to expect from adventure medical kits, including butterfly wound closure strips to close wound edges, sterile dressings, bandages, antibiotic ointment, and antiseptic towelettes to dress wounds and help prevent infection. Pre-cut and shaved moleskin blister dressings make easy work of treating blisters and hot spots. No scissors required. Inside are medications for muscle inflammation, pain, and allergic reactions. Our exclusive precision-pointed splinter pickers will help you remove the finest of slivers and ticks. And duct tape for everything else. The Ultralight Watertight .7 is designed for 1 to 2 people for up to 4 days and will help you treat the minor or major illnesses and injuries, and to get you back on your feet, in your kayak, or on your bike as quickly as possible. Tested, abused, and approved by adventure racers all over the world, the Ultralight Watertight series will be up to any adventure you throw at it.
Being prepared means having the right tools in your toolbox. Sadly, not all fire starters have that special spark. With a durable paracord handle, robust striker, integrated whistle, and a few survival hacks, making fires just got a lot easier. Try adding duct tape to your rod. This ensures a better grip and extra survival tape for future use. Remove the black coating from the rod before striking. Then, by adding a small heap of shavings in a pile, you ensure a flash-like ignition. This rod can also be used with different strikers if needed. Like a survival knife, but always make sure to use the back of the blade. Or try a hatchet or axe to create a large pool of sparks. You could even use the back blade of the trauma shears that comes with our first aid kits. Now that we have sparks, what materials can be used for an easy fire? Having dry kindling is key. But if you don't have any, a bit of petroleum jelly goes a long way and has many different uses. Fat wood is great to start a fire, and thicker pieces will help to keep it going. Taking your bushcraft skills to the next level takes time and practice. The better you get, the closer you'll be to warmth and comfort.
The Slim Rescue Howler's 100 decibel signal is audible from over a mile away, and its P-less, fail-safe design works in all conditions. At 100 decibels, it can be relied on in many environments to get your rescuer's attention. Its slim profile and feather weight make it an ideal addition to any zipper pull on your jacket or pack. The Slim Rescue Howler comes in an affordable 2-pack. And remember, the universal distress call is 3 consecutive blasts separated by a second of silence.
Be prepared for an emergency. If you are stuck in an emergency situation, such as a hurricane, storm, snow, and/or earthquake, this radio can actually save your life. It will alert you in advance and allow you to use the radio and the flashlight. Or if there's a power outage, you will be able to charge any other phone as it is compatible with cell phones. No matter in what kind of an emergency you are stuck in, this Kaito radio will always have your back. Equipped with different power options such as solar, crank, battery, and USB AC power, this Kaito radio has got you covered regardless if you require a charger while on traveling, a flashlight in the dark woods, or a reading lamp while you lay in the forest. Your weather guide as well, the Kaito radio comes along with NOAA Weather and Alert. You need it.